When the sun's beating down and the sweat on your brow, fully air conditioned.
Today, just doing a quick video on how to clean your filter. Summer's coming up. Best thing to do to stop any potential issues is get your filter clean, and also just turn your system on, give it a good run, because any issues or faults, probably better to do it now when it's not so hot rather than wait to turn it on and it doesn't work. So yeah, let's go through it now. Okay, so we've got a number of different types of split systems, but the one we're going to look at today is just your standard wall mounted. This is a Daikin, the standard style. This one here has two little tabs on the side. You just pull and lift up, you slide the filters out. There's a little tab here, you unclip it and it just slides out. They just need a rinse, warm soapy water under the tap, get rid of all the dirt and muck, shake them out, let them dry, and then they just slide straight back in like that and close the cover. Pretty easy. Let's have a look at another one. Okay, here we have the LG system. This is a little bit different. It does have a flat cover, but there is no tabs, and you pull on it, it doesn't open. The actual filter is at the top, so it draws air in up the top, cools it, blows it out the bottom. If we feel along the top, we've got two little tabs there. Stick your thumbs under them, push up, and slide the filter forward. This is the air conditioner that cools our showroom. So this filter does need cleaning. Cleaned it about 3 months ago, and it does need to clean again. It's not too bad, like you can see through it, but the cleaner the filter, the better the system operates. Okay, this is another unit, different again. This is a Daikin Zena. This one's a little different. It has a front cover, and the front cover closes flat. So there's a certain way to open this, and just here on the remote control, we have a timer button. If we push and hold that for 2 seconds, pointed at the unit, this cover opens up, and that allows us to gain access to the filters. So the cover will slide up. There is two little tabs at the bottom here. You can just feel them. They pull down and then it unhinges, and the top slides up. There's a little clip that flips down to hold the cover in place, and again, the filters are in just the same as the other ones. They just slide out. There's two little clips along the bottom here. Unclip and slide out. Rinse them in warm soapy water. Let them dry. Slide them back in. Simple. Close the cover and click it in. And then push and hold the cancel button again for 2 seconds while pointing it at the unit. And the cover closes. So hopefully that's going to keep your air conditioner in good order for summer when it does eventually arrive. Thanks again.
Keep the winter chills away, tell the summer heat no way. Fully air conditioned.